Hi guys, Michael Weldon here. Welcome to another Homemade with Coles. Today we're making a one tray wonder. It's my lemon roasted chicken. The first thing we need to do, chuck our chicken into our tray. I've got chicken drumsticks here. You could use chicken thighs, you could use chicken cutlets, you could use a whole chicken cut up into portions, really whatever chicken you can get. Now, for a bit of extra flavour, we're going to add lemon. We're going to cut these lemons really thin. You can see like paper thin, as thin as you can. Just scatter those over the chicken and into our tray. Got a piece of ginger, I've just peeled it now. It's about a thumb-sized piece of ginger. What we're going to do is cut this into matchsticks. And again, take this nice and slow, sprinkle these over the top of our chicken, making sure there's a little bit of our ginger on each of those drumsticks. We're going to make a little marinade or dressing to go over the top of our chicken. I've got some honey here. I'm just going to quickly microwave it for 10 seconds. All that'll do is make it a little bit warm, make it easy to mix together with the other ingredients, which is soy. And then I've got another lemon here. Just microwave it for 10 seconds. Our honey pours out much easier, and that'll make it a lot easier to combine in to our soy and our lemon. Just squeeze it out, catching any of those pips that fall out. All we do now, mix that together, and then just pour it over the top. Just make sure each of those drumsticks again gets a little bit of the dressing over the top. That is pretty much it for this dish. Just needs a little bit of time in the oven. So 200-degree oven. We're going to go in there for about 40 minutes. A couple of times along the way, you're just going to take a spoon and baste the chicken. And then with about 2 minutes to go, we're going to add our broccolini in just to finish off. So our chicken's been cooking for 40 minutes. You can see it's beautifully golden and caramelized. All I've got now is a bunch of baby broccoli or broccolini. Just going to chuck them in with our chicken. And it's going to go back in the oven just for 2 minutes, just till the broccolini sort of almost brightens in colour and just softens. We still want a nice crunch to it. So back into the oven. Oh yeah. So our broccoli was in there for just 2 minutes. You can see it's going a little bit golden and crispy. Beautiful, nice and bright green. And there you have it, guys. That is my lemon roasted chicken. Thank you so much for watching Homemade with Coles.